Here are the 3 most common mistakes that people make when they go through roundabouts in the driving test. So first of all, you have to anticipate the intersection from the distance like I'm doing here now. If you slow down more than necessary, and if there was a safe gap and if you miss the opportunity, you will lose points for flow. It's very much the same as going through the normal giveaway situation. You don't have to be a very experienced driver to execute this correctly, because if you are a pedestrian, if you're about to step inside of the pedestrian crossing, you would know what to expect if you see somebody from the distance, so you wouldn't step into the pedestrian crossing. So just understand that you have to anticipate intersections from the distance. The second most common mistake when going through roundabouts in the driving test is not proceeding when the cars on your right-hand side have to give way to traffic on their right-hand side, and especially when that vehicle is exiting, as you can see in this situation here. If you mismanage your observation and approach speed, it's very likely you're going to miss the opportunity. Also, make sure that you indicate correctly. We have a separate video on that topic. The third common mistake that learner drivers do in their driving assessment when going through the roundabouts, they attempt to change lanes prematurely. In the multiple lane roundabout, you have to exit roundabout and then change over to the left lane because you're expected to be in the left lane most of the time. As always, feel free to ask any questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.